Okay, today we're going to be making pan-fried Brussels sprouts, and they're real simple to do, and they're actually really delicious. So here we go. Fire up the pan, get it nice and hot first, always. Keeps things from sticking. Put it on high heat. Give that a 30 seconds or so. That should be good enough. And I got some extra virgin olive oil here. About a tablespoon of that. Maybe a hair more. Get that heated up nice. Once that's heated up, I got about an eighth of a tablespoon of butter. Pat of butter. So they say. Put that in there. That melted. You can start lowering your heat a little bit here to about medium. Lower, medium. You don't want it to burn. Put on medium. I got 1 clove of garlic here. Give it a little smash. Take the skin off, or leave it on, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. It's good for you. So you start stirring that around a little bit. You're really just infusing the oil and butter with that garlic. You can start turning it up a little bit because you're gonna be putting in the Brussels sprouts. Now these are frozen, but I cooked them to the package. Frozen Brussels sprouts that I cooked to the package directions. I'm just using like 1 serving here. If you have fresh Brussels sprouts, I would recommend heating them up a little bit in the microwave. You want to cook them a little bit because then they'll just fry up much quicker that way. But I like the frozen, and then you just, like I say, cook them to the package directions. And you start smelling that garlic. It's going to be time to put them in. Just keep, really, the garlic's just to infuse the oil with that smooth garlic taste. You don't want burnt garlic. So once that, you'll start smelling that garlic. Start smelling that garlic, just take it out. Discard that, and that's the gravy, if you will. You hear that nice sizzle? Oh yeah. You're gonna love Brussels sprouts after this. Keep that heat on pretty high, because this is gonna come together quick. It's only going to take about a minute or two. Just get a plate here. Oop. Did I do that? Alright. It's going to be... It's going to be good. Alright, they're almost done. They say these don't take long at all if they're already pre-cooked. You don't really want to put frozen one in there because then you got water, there's the sweat, and a lot more water, makes a lot more cooking time. So pre-cook your Brussels sprouts, and then in the microwave, or if you want to steam them, you can do that. But here's where the magic happens. It goes from those bland Brussels sprouts to something really tasty. Okay, that's actually about it. Plate them up. I thought Brussels sprouts would look good, but these do. A little salt, a little pepper if you want. I like them just like this, Let's give a little try here. Look at that. That looks pretty good, don't it? Looks like an olive. Man, where were these when I was a kid? That's an excellent side dish. Very excellent, healthy. Wow. That's it. That's delicious. There they are.